That's it. First one's finished. Right. No. First one's something. Very white. Very white. There you go. First one's. I think so. Right. Alright, then it's going to be a second spin. Second spin, and then increase, and then the subs. And after that, just another little, and then the dial. Just here. Alright, we've got a new question here. We've got from 9th January 2022, I think. Since the washing machine was jumping like mad, I think. And also we bought a Hotpoint WNT90G back in 2009, I think. So, and also we bought a Hotpoint GCL770G in graphite when I was a kid in 2009 in January, I think. That's it, really. Making the water just filling up really nicely. Water is spinning up. Very good. Water is spinning up, I think. So you can see all nice dripping. Instant with yellow coffee pure in it. Going up again, I think. Just saying this. Probably like mine or Hotpoint Ultimate WNT960G in graphite, I think. And also you have the new white label on there, so it says here, says what is covered by manufacturer guaranteed. What is exclusive? Any breakdown caused by thunderstorms, really. What's there on the warranty detail on the back here? It says Hotpoint logo on here. link. Spoolers and that. And I have it. Both are running.